So guys, I sold step index here. Took a sell trade at this point on step index. I am moving in profit, moving good in profit. So what's my view on this index? What made me sell step index at this point? We over $400 in profit, and I had my SL, my stop loss at this zone. Right, I had my stop loss at this point. So I'll be closing some positions at the end of this video, and we'll be moving my stop loss below my entry to stay safe in the trade. So what's my view on this index? What made me sell step index at this point? You can see how we are moving in profit. The trade is moving nicely well. So first, like went to the weekly time frame as always do. I start from the higher time frame whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, whenever I want to analyze the market. I start from the higher time frame. It can be the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, or the monthly time frame. But in most cases, I start from the weekly time frame. So here on step index on the weekly time frame, we've seen the overall market direction. That's the first thing I look at for. I spot the overall market direction. You can see that this index has been on a long-term downtrend. This index has been bearish basically for a very long time. So I identified this market structure. I spotted the levels and zones, the current levels basically, and the current market structure. This is the current market structure would see. And this current market structure is bearish as well. Despite having the overall market direction spotted on the weekly time frame, there would be some current market structure that would be bullish, like we got previously at this zone. We had this bullish current market structure, but it's no longer a current market structure. It's now a previous market structure. This was a mini uptrend, would say. Now we have this current market structure, market being in a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows heading to the downside. Right, so we got this current market structure on the weekly time frame. So after identifying the market direction, the current market structure, I spotted the levels and zones we got on this index. So we got this level as a key level of resistance. This is a key level, would say, because price bought and sold on the test of this level. We got the buys as support, the buys as support, and we got this little buys as well at this zone as a support before price decided to break below this level of support on resistance. And when we look at this market structure, we can see that we got a reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation. And this identified level, this key level is spotted here, is like the neckline, or would say is the neckline of this reversal pattern formation. So what's this reversal pattern formation? This is a head and shoulders pattern formation. We got the left shoulder here, we got the head at this zone, and we got the right shoulder at this point. So this is a head and shoulders pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation. And how we've gotten this pattern formation in this overall market direction, it means that you have to expect more sales. It's like a continuation pattern. The overall market direction is downtrend. Now we got a bearish continuation pattern or a bearish reversal pattern formation on this downtrend structure, which means that we have to get more sales on this index. So we got our next level at this zone. Our next level of support would say this is the lows of this index. Got price buy at this point previously. Market came back to the same zone and bought from this level. Now we're getting the retest of this identified neckline here, which is giving us the sell to the downside. So let's go to the daily time frame to have a view on this market structure, this market formation. So after getting the retest of this identified level, the neckline would say, after getting a retest of this neckline here, we got price sell to the downside, we got this sell to the downside, and we've seen that at this level we got this downtrend formation, which is a bearish structure as well. So everything is looking bearish on step index. Starting from the weekly time frame where we identified the overall market direction, then we focused on the current market structure, which showed that this index is still bearish. So we can see that everything is looking bearish as well. Even on the daily time frame, we got this downtrend structure. Market is creating lower highs and lower lows formation heading to the downside. So we got the highs, would say, at this. So the first highs here. Let's put this market formation, this market structure. The highs here, the first highs, and that high here, a lower high, and that high at this point, a lower high, and that high at this zone, a lower high, and we got the lows at this zone. The first low here, right? The first low at this zone, and that low at this point, a lower low, and the last low here. So this a bearish market formation. Market creating series of lower highs and lower lows. So after identifying this market structure on daily time frame, I looked out for this little formation here. We got this uptrend. This is like a counter trend move we got on the daily time frame. Remember, the market is on a bearish trend, and we got this counter trend that came to test our trend resistance. Because on trend lines we have our support level and our resistance level. We got this level as a level of resistance, our trend resistance level and our trend support level. Because you can see that whenever market gets to this level, it surges from it, it buys on the test of this level, it buys on the test of this level. So here we got this counter trend formation, this uptrend that came to test our trend resistance. Now we're getting the sell to the downside, and on this sell to the downside, we first got this impulsive move correction, impulsive correction here, which could lead to more sells. This corrective move we're getting at this point is just like a continuation pattern. This is an ascending channel formation we're getting on daily time frame, which would give more sells basically. So this is like a corrective structure. So on identify this corrective structure, which is expected to give the sells to the downside, I went to a lower time frame. I went to the 4-hour time frame basically, and had a clear view on this market structure, this market formation, and so that we already got price give a reversal pattern formation on the 1-hour time frame, right? We got this head and shoulders pattern formation here, left shoulder here, the head at this zone, the head at this point, and the right shoulder at this point. So this is a reversal pattern formation we got inside this corrective structure. Remember, we spotted the corrective market formation and ascending channel on the daily time frame, and inside this ascending channel we are getting a reversal pattern formation, which means that the sales is expected on step index, right? Which means that the sales is expected on step index. So I had the level identified. I spotted this level, this structure basically. After identifying this reversal pattern formation, I had this level identified as a possible level could take our sales on if price is to break below the level, right? I was supposed to get my entry earlier on. I'll be watching this index at this point. I was expected to take my sales here, but I couldn't get the entry earlier on, right? But everything is still moving well. The sales still expected, long sales still expected on step index, right? So I took my sales. I had to enter this point, which was kind of late, but not too bad. So I took my sales here, right? And the trade is moving good. I was supposed to enter here, sorry. I was supposed to enter on this candlestick close, this pin bar formation, this beige candlestick formation, the close of it. I was supposed to enter at this point, but still everything is moving good. So my first TP is likely to be at this zone. My manual first TP would be at this point. My second TP would be at this zone, right? My second TP would be at this zone, and my third TP would be at this point. So that's how I was able to take the sell trade on step index, identifying the market structure, analyzing from a higher time frame like the weekly time frame down to a lower time frame to get my entries. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the sell trade on step index. I'll be taking partials and moving my stop loss below my entry at the end of this video. Taking partials means closing out on some positions in profit, then moving my stop loss below my entry to secure the trade. More sales is expected on step index. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade reviews. Drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel and to my tiny viewers. I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chile means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have enough for the peace.